What if I told you there's a place right here in Ventura County where you can taste India, Nepal, and Tibet all in one meal? And it's won Best Indian Food multiple years in a row? Yeah, and somehow people still aren't talking about it enough. Everyone has that one go to spot they're telling their friends about. And what if I told you there's a place in Ventura County that has been voted Best Indian Food for 3 years running, 2023, 2024, and now 2025, and yet it's still like it's a hidden gem and you need to discover. If you're tired of the same old flavors and want a culinary passport to Himalayas without leaving California, you have to watch this.
Yeah.
Today, we're at Himalaya Fresh, a local staple that's been serving fresh Himalayan-inspired dishes for years. Welcome to Himalaya Fresh Ventura. This isn't just any Indian restaurant. It's a full experience blending the bold spices of India and comforting flavors of Nepal and the unique touches of Tibetan cuisine. Himalaya Fresh has been a local staple for years, rooted in deep tradition of serving fresh dishes that blend the bold aromatic flavors of India, Tibet, and Nepal. The atmosphere is incredible. You can grab a table on their comfortable patio where it's dog friendly. Yep. But for the full experience, you have to try their traditional Nepali floor seating tables surrounded by authentic handcrafts, and you feel like you're in a shopping center, but more likely in a sanctuary in Kathmandu.
One thing I love about this spot is diversity. They've got options for vegetarian, vegan, paleo, keto, and gluten-free diets. So no matter what lifestyle you follow, you're covered. Whether you're craving rich curry, handcrafted momos, tandoori flavors, or something lighter and protein packed, there's something here for everyone. The vibe here is warm and welcoming. You've got comfortable indoor and outdoor seating. But if you really want the full experience, try one of their two traditional Nepali floor seating tables and enjoy a free belly dancing show while you dine. Have a private birthday celebration with a custom message board to make your special day memorable at Himalaya Fresh Ventura. It's such a unique touch and makes the whole meal feel special. And the space is filled with beautiful traditional handcrafts from Nepal and Tibet, which makes it feels authentic the moment you walk in. Okay, let's talk about what we actually ate. Yeah, because my mind was blown by the flavors, because we're chasing the flavors. We started with something I'm honestly embarrassed we haven't tried sooner. This is called sag naan. So it's a naan bread,
Yeah, it's stuffed with spinach and cheese.
spinach and cheese. So it's in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Sag naan.
It's stuffed with seasoned spinach and herbs. It's savory, soft, and officially my new favorite way to eat bread. Why is this not everywhere in Ventura? Next, we went for the
Garlic naan.
Newari chola, but the plate is too hot. Take care.
Can you say it one more time? What is it?
That's the Newari chola. Newari choila.
Newari
Choila.
Choila.
Choila. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Nawari Cholaya, a traditional Nepali grilled meat dish bursting with spices, and of course, we had to test their legendary butter chicken. Paired with their garlic naan, a creamy mango lassi, and a steaming cup of masala chai, it was the definition of comfort food. One of the coolest things about this menu is how inclusive it is. Whether you're a vegan, paleo, keto, or gluten-free, they have an entire world of options for you. But the real star of the wellness menu was this.
This is the Ayurvedic khichdi. We cook this khichdi with the brown rice and carrots, spinach, so many things. It's really traditional khichdi. It's natural, and it comes with the ghee.
Ayurvedic khichdi. If you've never heard of it, khichdi is an ancient healing meal in Ayurveda. It's considered the ultimate detox food because it's incredibly easy to digest and helps balance the body's systems. It's a gentle blend of rice, lentils, and medicinal spices like turmeric and ginger. At Himalaya Fresh Ventura, you can enjoy it completely vegan or top it with ghee, which is clarified butter to help with nutrient absorption and gut health. It's literally medicine on a plate that tastes like a warm hug. With a record-breaking streak of Best Indian Food Awards, it's clear the critics love this place. But the real magic is in the consistency and the heritage they put into every plate. Whether you're a die-hard vegan or just a lover of great butter chicken, do yourself a favor and head over to Himalaya Fresh in Ventura. Check them out, HimalayaFreshVentura.com, and tell them we sent you.
I think you know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures. See you in the next one. It comes out sizzling like this, y'all. It's sizzling hot. Here's one quick tip. There's plenty of free parking and
It's right off of the 101 freeway, off of the California Street freeway exit off-ramp.
you can't miss it.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.
Saffron,
Saffron,
cardamom,
cardamom,
bay leaves,
bay leaves,
cloves.
cloves,
not too sweet.
and milk.
Yeah.
Milk
And
rice. Okay.
it doesn't, it's like, it's gulab jamun but without the gulab.
Sarangi.
Saranli.
I recommend it.
Sarangi.
I love the sound of this.